By seeing today's thumbnail or title, you have to understood what today's topic is going to be. You might be thinking in your mind that is it possible to learn English within 30 days or in 1 month's planning? If yes, how will I learn and what all I have to do to become a fluent English speaker in 30 days? Namaskar, I am Rita. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe button. Today in this video, you will know what can you do to become a fluent in 1 month so that you can get the fluency in English. So if you are beginner or intermediate, this video is going to be very important for you. Please watch this video from beginning to the end and let me know in the comment box that how this video is going to be helpful to you. If you think that English is very important in your life and you have to improve or bring fluency in English, then first of all you have to set up your goal. Setting a goal that is realistic, it means setting such a goal that you can complete within the durations of 1 month. Do not set such an extraordinary goal for you because you can't able to complete it. And when you are not able to complete it, you will feel frustrated and you don't feel like to study. After that, you ask yourself at what level of English you want to reach it. Are you want to reach beginner level or intermediate level or advanced level? Set a target by understanding what is your level. Are you capable to complete that level within 1 month? You must have to know this, because if you don't have a clear goal in your mind, if you don't have clarity in your work, you are doing but you are never able to get the motivation. So motivation is important to get the work done. I think many learners not to do what is important is to preparing a study plan. Unless you plan, you will not able to understand how much time it will take or how will you study English. First of all, you should divide each week for different topic to read. Suppose in first week you plan to learn idiom, vocabularies or phrases, and in second week you focus on listening. You can listen podcast, music, song, or listen anything, but it should be in English. In third week, you focus on your speaking. You can speak any random topic, or you can observe the things around you and speak about this in front of the mirror. On fourth week, you will work on basic grammar, which is necessary in our communications. Focus on it and do some practical exercises on it. In this way, you will have to divide each week in different parts and practice it regularly, because consistency is the ultimate key to get the fluency in English. Remember one thing, if you skip practicing for one day, it will become very harmful for you. Create an environment where you can immerse yourself. Immerse as much as you can, where you can listen in English, where you can talk in English, where you can see someone who is speaking in English. To get the more exposure in English language, then you have to change your settings in your mobile. Change your settings from your mother tongue into the English. Sooner you able to increase your vocabulary, sooner you able to learn this language. Native speaker always used to idioms, phrasal verbs and vocabulary in their daily conversations. Similarly, if you also include idioms, phrasal verbs and vocabulary in your daily conversation, then it will help you to memorize these phrasal verb, idioms and vocabulary. You should remember one thing in your mind, that for what you are learning this language. Like if you are working in office, then you will learn the work phrases or idioms or business phrases or idioms. It will help you to improve your level in English. For that, you can use flashcards, learning apps or online dictionary. By remembering and understanding the meanings of the word is not going to help you to become a fluent speaker. because you have to know how these words are going to be used in the sentences. Basic grammar is necessary in English speaking. If you don't know the grammar, then you are facing lots of the problem or difficulties when you are speaking with someone. Practice speaking English, no matter how small is your conversations, but it is more important to practice. Find out such partner who know better than you English, or find such partner who are willing to speak English with you. English is not only about the speaking and listening, it is also about reading and writing. When you are reading something like a magazine, article, or reading book, you come across many new words, and there you can come to know the sentence structure and grammar also. By making mistakes, you can understand your mistakes, your error, and understanding this, you can rectify your problems. In this way, you can able to bring fluency in your English. I hope that this video will be help you a lot. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you. Vande Mataram.